Good morning, children. Here I'll be telling you the exercises that you're going to get under your grammar portion. So let's begin. This is one of your question based on the fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate words. Similar type of questions you're going to get in your exam where you will be given options A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four options will be given to you, and you have to select one to fill in the blanks in the most appropriate way. I am dashed to go to a hill station this time. Last year, I dashed to Kanyakumari. My friends already left for their holiday destinations. I dash to join them but dash unable. So I am dash to go to a hill station this time. Plan, planning, planned, plans. So I am planning. I am planning to go to a hill station this time. Last year I dashed to Kanyakumari. I gone, going, goes, went. So what will come? I went. I went to Kanyakumari. My friends dash already left for their holiday destinations. My friends dash already left for their holiday destinations. Have, will, had, has. So what will come? My friends have already left for their holiday destination. So what will come? Have. I dash to join them. I want to join them, but dash unable. But I'm unable. So you have selected the best appropriate options from here. Given options, and you need to fill in the blanks. For this, there are certain grammar topics that are being taught to you. It's very important that you go through them. The tenses, subject-verb agreement, models. There are certain topics of grammar portion that you are taught. Go through those topics, only then you'll be able to do these exercises. And always remember that practice makes a man perfect. Practice these exercises of your grammar exercises as much as possible from your own books, from your own grammar books. Without practice, you will not be able to do it. So practice as much as you can. Another questions that you're going to get or you may get is your editing. Exercise based on your editing. What is basically editing is that there will be a grammatical mistake in a given paragraph. You have to find out the mistake hidden in the paragraph. You need to write the error. What is the error? And then you have to write the corrected word below the correction column. Okay. Let's read out. There is error in each line. Remember that if there is a dash against a line, remember that there will be an error definitely. Tourism is one in the biggest businesses dash dash. So from here till here there is a error hidden. So what is the error? Error is in. So you'll underline it. You'll write in here because this is the error, and what will be the correction? Correction would be off. Tourism is one of the biggest businesses in the world, generating on least. So what is the error here? On. You'll write the error in the error column and correction in the correct. What will come? At. Generating on at least. In the world, generating at least 288 million jobs. It is vital for an economy. So it is vital for the economy. And the economies of much countries It will not come much here, but what will come? Many. Much in the error and many in the correction. But it is a major contributor on climate change. But it is a major contributor in climate change. So this is just an example of the error finding. You should know that these questions, the type of questions, how you're going to do it, how you're going to attempt it. Okay, so similar questions under your grammar portion, and remember, practice these questions at home. Even if it's not given in the assignment, you have some other book, just practice it. The more you practice, the more you become good in these. Okay.